Farming feeds the world, but farming also faces big challenges. Climate change makes weather unpredictable. Water becomes scarce in many places. Traditional farming methods often rely on fossil fuels. This hurts the environment. Sustainable farming offers a solution. It aims to protect the environment and conserve resources. This way we can keep growing food for the future. Sustainable farming uses less water and energy. It reduces pollution and protects natural resources. Solar-powered irrigation fits perfectly with this approach. It's a key technology for a more sustainable future in agriculture. Solar-powered irrigation uses the sun's energy to water crops. This innovative method harnesses renewable energy, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective for farmers. It's a simple idea with a big impact. Solar panels capture sunlight, which is abundant and free. They convert it into electricity through photovoltaic cells, a process that is clean and efficient. This electricity powers a pump, which is essential for drawing water. The pump draws water from a well, river, or reservoir, ensuring a reliable water source. The water flows through pipes or channels to irrigate the fields, providing essential hydration to crops. Farmers can choose from different types of solar-powered irrigation systems, tailored to their specific needs and field sizes. Some systems use batteries to store energy, which can be particularly useful in remote areas. This allows for irrigation even when the sun isn't shining, such as during nighttime or cloudy days. Other systems connect directly to the grid, providing a seamless integration with existing infrastructure. This can provide backup power and even sell excess energy back to the grid, offering an additional revenue stream for farmers. Solar-powered irrigation is gaining popularity for several reasons. First, the cost of solar panels has dropped significantly in recent years. This makes it more affordable for farmers to invest in this technology. Second, governments and organizations around the world are promoting renewable energy. They offer incentives and subsidies to encourage the adoption of solar-powered irrigation. Third, farmers are facing increasing pressure to reduce their environmental impact. Solar-powered irrigation offers a way to do this while also saving money on energy costs. Finally, technological advancements have made solar-powered irrigation systems more efficient and reliable. Section 4. Benefits, Environment and Economy. Solar-powered irrigation offers significant environmental and economic benefits. By harnessing the power of the sun, farmers can irrigate their fields more sustainably and cost-effectively. Firstly, it reduces reliance on fossil fuels, which are not only expensive but also harmful to the environment. Traditional irrigation systems often use diesel or gasoline-powered pumps, which are costly to operate and maintain. These emit greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change, exacerbating global warming and its associated impacts. Solar-powered systems, on the other hand, produce clean energy, reducing carbon emissions, and promoting a healthier environment. This shift to renewable energy is crucial for sustainable agriculture. Secondly, solar-powered irrigation can lower operational costs for farmers, making their farming practices more economically viable. Once the initial investment is recovered, the cost of running a solar-powered system is minimal, leading to substantial long-term savings. This is because sunlight is free, unlike fossil fuels, which fluctuate in price and availability. These savings can significantly improve a farm's profitability in the long run, ensuring that farmers can reinvest in their operations and continue to thrive. Section 5. Real-world success with solar-powered irrigation. Many farmers around the world are already experiencing the benefits of solar-powered irrigation. This innovative technology is transforming the way agriculture is practiced, making it more sustainable and cost-effective. In India, for example, solar-powered pumps are helping farmers in water-scarce regions to grow crops and increase their income. These pumps are not only providing a reliable source of water, but also reducing the dependency on expensive and polluting diesel generators. In the United States, farmers are using solar-powered irrigation to grow everything from almonds to lettuce. This technology is enabling them to save money on energy costs and reduce their carbon footprint, contributing to a healthier environment. By harnessing the power of the sun, farmers are not only saving money but also reducing their environmental impact. The savings on energy costs can be significant, allowing farmers to reinvest in their operations and improve their livelihoods. These success stories demonstrate the viability and effectiveness of solar-powered irrigation. Farmers are seeing tangible results with increased crop yields and improved financial stability. As technology continues to improve and costs continue to decline, the adoption of solar-powered irrigation is expected to grow. Innovations in solar technology are making it more accessible and affordable for farmers worldwide. We can expect to see even wider adoption of this sustainable farming practice in the years to come. The benefits of solar-powered irrigation are clear, and more farmers are likely to embrace this technology as they seek to improve their operations. This shift towards renewable energy sources in agriculture is essential for ensuring food security and environmental sustainability for future generations. By adopting solar-powered irrigation, farmers are playing a crucial role in building a more sustainable and resilient agricultural sector.